She got the style so clean and sleek. A-line skirt is smooth and neat. She wears her makeup then drives away. She is a Cali girl all day.
Happy New Year! Kamusta ang inyong bagong taon? Well, today is January 4 and this is my first day off for this year. Kasi after 31, scheduled to work. Normally, eto yung time na kailangan kong maglinis ng mga kalat. Ibig sabihin is tatanggalin ko yung Christmas tree. Eto lang din yung time ko to open some of the gifts na binigay sa atin. Magpe-prep din ako ng food ko kasi I'm starting my diet. Charot. Pero yes, seryoso. Oh, yun din. Baka over the weekend, papalinis na ulit tayo ng kuko kasi halata na. So, I just want to be productive siguro to start. Samahan niyo muna ako magkape. Tapos, habang nagko-coffee tayo, open natin yung mga gift. You want that? Let's go. Today, let's just open some of the gifts na na-receive ko. Iba naman kasi, hindi pa kami nag-meet up na kami nag-exchange gift kasi when I arrive from the Philippines, I have to work so wala akong schedule to meet up with them. So ito, bigay ni Eugene. Ooh, good already. I'm excited. Thank you, Eugene. Ito naman, bigay ng ating friend, Marie. Wow! This is what you're gonna get. This is so sweet. This came from my GF. Thank you! I love it. Oh, I love PJs. Thank you, GF. Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda picture niya. Aking body. Grabe, GF. Itong pinamigay mo sa akin. It's like a soap na pwede mo siguro ilagay ito sa parang bubble bath. No? From Joanne, my friend, she gave me a Trader Joe's bag. You know, this is one of my favorite grocery store. Nakikita niyo na yan previously sa mga reels. I have this bag just for my regular shopping bag. It's been a trend. I don't know what happened. I'll tell you more about this. Abangan niyo yung vlog ko tungkol dito.
Oh, Christmas is here with friends by the fire. Magic night, glowing, lifting us higher. Bundle up tight as the snowflakes flow. In this holiday wonderland, let it show. Family together, hearts filled with joy.
Made in Korea. You know.
Stories and memories here.
Yeah, that's it for now, guys. I have few more to open later on, pero siguro hindi na natin i-vlog yun. This is just for now, just so I can start my cleaning. So thank you everyone for the gift. Well, I guess we have to see you again in December.
Sa lahat ng holiday, Christmas season talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko. My memories growing up, our nanay will buy us new clothes, new shoes, at yun na talaga ang pinaka-regalo niya. Naalala ko noon, my friends and I will do caroling. Ginagawa pa ba yan hanggang ngayon? Isa yan sa pinaka-masayang memories ko. And then on Christmas Day, wearing our new clothes and shoes, we will go house to ask pamasko. At dito naman sa US, iba rin yung experience. We already adapt the culture and how it's celebrated. Ikaw, anong favorite holiday mo?
Hi guys, good morning. Samahan niyo ako gumawa ng matcha. Anyhow, my plan today is going to the store to buy gift. Kasi ganito yon. Back in December, wala talaga akong time. I have to go back to work. So, ngayon pa lang ako bibili ng regalo. Kasi tomorrow, we have a plan of catching up. Anyhow, Join me.
Beside coffee and tea, I love matcha. If you haven't tried it, do you wonder what does the taste like? Actually, complex yung flavor niya, but it is typically associated with these steamed vegetable or slightly grassy notes. If a matcha is a very high quality, it will have a natural sweet and smooth flavor to it. Kagaya ng coffee, marami ding ways how to drink your matcha. Your experience will tell you kung ano yung magiging favorite mo or magugustuhan mo pa ba. Ang maganda kasi sa matcha, it is loaded with antioxidants and vitamins. Tapos nakakaganda ng skin glow. You actually get more energy than other teas. It may also help fight off infection and protect your brain. It is a green goodness in every cup. Today, I'm just gonna do a quick shopping. Dahil tomorrow, I'm going to meet my friends for our late Christmas gift giving. Wow, the sun is up. You know, for a few days, it's been raining every day. This is the perfect time to go somewhere. Ikaw, anong favorite mo na weather? Sunny or rainy? At eto na yung gift ko for them and I hope they like it.
In a world that's always changing every day, we keep moving, finding our own way. Follow you, you follow me, we go. Simple deal, let's grow slow. No need to complicate what's so clear.
May salamin yan.
May naman pa siguro doon.
Get the fear, let's keep it near.
May salamin.
Power.
Engage, not rage, together we're strong. In the calm and in the storm where we belong. Share like you care with a heart wide open. In the silence, in the noise, our truth is golden.
Wake up to a brand new dawn. Spread joy from the moment you're gone. Let laughter be your morning song, and kindness will keep you strong.